So here I am back at the resin tabletop that I showed in the walnut casting videos. I was showing you the progress of this pour. But anyway, this is the top. It's finished. It's inside doing a good cure. I like to let it cure for about a week before I flip it over and put on the legs. So I am working on the legs presently. And I've got those made, and I added Bondo to them. You can see that here. And I will sand those and then paint it black. So I sanded the white Bondo down, got all those rough nubby edges off, sanded it with a 400 grit sandpaper, and then after it was all brushed off, I painted it black. Okay, there's a shot of the table, and I'll show you a close-up of the legs and the detail in the legs. It's an example of it. And the edge, and then the top looks pretty cool. So that's that. I'll go around the sides. So it has this look of from the Bondo that I brushed the pewter substance onto to hold the paint and the relief part. Anyway, that's the final shot. Final piece. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please subscribe or like or both, and thumbs up for me. It helps me, and I look forward to doing another video for you in the near future.